Slide. Yes, Prajwal.
Okay. Just okay. So we are live. Great.
Yep,
Let's wait for people to join. Then we can start.
for sure.
Uh, I think I've shared my screen and I'm unable to see my dashboard.
Yes.
Just a second. Aman sir, can you just share the YouTube link to the group? Yeah, great. Should we wait for more 30 seconds?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Oh, I guess we can go ahead now, Prajwal.
Yeah, sure. We are good to start. So, hello everyone. Very good evening to all present. And today we are back with Solution Challenge 2023. So, before telling you what's all this sort of, I'd like to call Aman sir, and he'll all give the introduction about this. Aman sir, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Prajwal, and have everyone very good evening. This is Aman Keshavan, GDSC lead of UCER, and today I'm going to tell you what is solution challenge and how that can be help you in getting jobs, in getting more problem solving skills, and more technologies as well from Google. So let's start, and I will let you know through this journey. So Prajwal, can you please next slide?
Yeah, so this is the introduction slide, and we are moving ahead with the PPT.
All
I
right.
hope my screen is visible and the
Yeah,
PPT
yeah,
is
I
clear.
can see it.
Okay. Yep.
So here we have table of contents, which Prajal will tell you later what exactly they have. So first we are going to see overview of this program solution challenge from when it will start and from when it will end, when the winner will be announcing. So everything will be telling in the overview. And next we have a timeline from when it will be starting and when it is ending. Then we have a kickoff event that is very important. That is tomorrow by Google, where Google are present is and how it will be helping you out in this program and what prizes you will be getting. You will get to know about this thing as well, what exactly the prizes are there. Apart from that, there will be always a judging criteria in every hackathons. So this is something like a hackathon only. So let's see also will in the coming slide what exactly judging criteria is there. And here are some checklist that's also given that you have to use these technologies of Google, like we have Android, Flutter, like these, TensorFlow in AIML, like that. Also, we are be hosting some workshop and learning opportunities from various mentors in our community from other communities as well. Apart from that, some overview videos which is already inbuilt by Google that will be shared with you by this slide with Prajwal or some other ways as well. We'll try to look into it. And some FAQ also we have mentioned in this slide that Prajwal will let you know what exactly FAQ is and how it can help you to get started with it. Also, we have a solution challenge book of previous years by which you can look into it, what people says and how they won that solution challenge 2022 and 21 as well. So, Prajwal, can you please
Yeah,
take
moving
over?
ahead with the slide.
Yes. So, Prajwal, can you please go ahead with that now?
Uh, sure, this is the first slide, and it's about the overview of 2023 Solution Challenge. And बेसिकली सोल्यूशन चैलेंज इज अ काइंड ऑफ हैकाथॉन इन विच आपको अपने आसपास के जितने भी रियल वर्ल्ड रियल लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो कि हमें यहाँ पे यूनाइटेड नेशंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की तरफ से लाइक दे हैव गिवन अस this sponsorship, maybe you can call this, and they have given us this opportunity जिसमें with the help of your nature, with the help of people around you, the biosphere around you, आपको वहां से एक solution driven idea निकालना है. The problem statement must be yours. आपको उसके लिए criteria हम आगे बताने वाले हैं, but overall you just have to make a problem statement and make a solution over it using Google technologies like the Android, Flutter, TensorFlow, all of that. So we'll
Right.
be discussing more, and you all can see this video. I'll just play it here. This is the overview video from the United Nations organization. I hope the video is visible and I'm audible.
Uh, it's visible, but I guess it's not audible.
Okay, so there's some issue in the audio. I'll just wait a second.
Yeah, you can play in new tab. That will be good, I guess.
Yeah, I'll be playing it in a new tab. Doing that. Just a second.
Of YouTube, just click on that. Yes, play it. Yes, click on YouTube icon in the last.
No, I guess there's some issue in the audio. I'll just share my tab instead. That would be better.
All right, you can do that as well.
Just a second, please. And I'll share tab instead. Great. So I guess now it would be better. So this is the introductory video.
Yes.
Okay, so these were the topics to be covered, or they can be one of the topics of your problem statement, and they could
Right.
be like the solution should be driven from all these various topics. There can be many, but these were some of the topics which were given by Google so that you all can get an idea. And they named this as Sustainable Development Goals. Great name. We'll just go ahead with another video if you want, so that just
Yeah, that will be good. You can share that as well.
yeah, I'll be sharing my screen.
This is a very important story. The important story. In the midst of COVID-19, it's an historic opportunity to look at the facts of the world as it is, and then to focus on the solutions to some of our greatest problems. In the 75 years since the United Nations was founded, the human race has never had to face a set of challenges like we do right now. But together, we can overcome them.
It's a myth that each and every one of us doesn't have the ability to change the world dramatically and quickly. There have been enormous shifts in power and behavior to the benefit of all humanity, and it can happen again.
Nelson Mandela said, "It always seems impossible until it's done." These are some of the things that must be done.
Oh yeah, Prajwal, I guess that can be now. You can go ahead with the PPT now. We can share this video with them because it's long.
Surely
So
that was all I'm mentioning. 34 minutes with you, it's a long one. So we'll share this whole PPT with you all, and
right.
all can get access to this. Let's
So
go
one
ahead
thing
with
I
the
can mention here, Prajwal, like the UN that mentioning here, like due to COVID, various things is changes. That is climate also, and various population has affected across the world. Either this job recession is here, as we all know. So everything is changing at very large scale, and it is like we should be helping these with building a various solution for everyone in the society, either it's
Yeah, we
poor or
should be helpful towards each other first of all, and
right.
it's a basic human nature. And apart from that, due to COVID there have been many problems, and like we should be helpful towards others in terms of those solutions, so that our solution may help someone else's life become easier. That can be one of the ways. So let's move ahead with the PPT, I guess.
Yes.
Okay, so we have our solution challenge timeline. So would you like to go ahead?
All right. So here you can see like already it's being started and we have circulated you message as well and we have notified everything about this challenge. And now we are also hosting some events regarding those soon. And you can see the timeline 11 Jan is already announced and Google announced this with the help of Google Developer Student Club that we are running in our UCR. Apart from that, also you can see in 18 January, that is tomorrow. Tomorrow they have a kick-off event where they will be telling you everything from scratch, like what exactly solution challenge is going to be for 8 months. You can see in till August they are going to announce the winners, top three winners. So it's a long challenge. You can see whole year is going to be end in August. So it will be a year long challenge, and here you will be growing yourself to develop some biggest challenges that in present in the world, which is also listed on a UN list, sustainable goals, right? So here we have a kickoff event that will be linked to be shared with the you guys through email and Google groups that we have in our channel. And
Yeah, the
apart from that,
notifications will be going.
right. So Prajwal, you can go ahead with the some other timelines, which is going from March.
Yeah, surely. So first of all, as Sir told us, tomorrow we have the solution challenge kickoff. So tomorrow will be the green flag for this event, and it will be notified to your mails. Do check your mails, and after that, the submissions will be open since March. So you all have a good amount of almost 2 months in which you all can like prepare your solutions, help your problem statements, write them out, and make some projects and answers to this. And submission deadline is 31st March. So 17th March to 31st March, you all can submit your solution challenge. After that, now comes the evaluation round. This is, sorry, I'm sorry. So after this submission, you all have evaluation round one. And first you have to learn and build each and every that step regarding the solution challenge. After that, evaluation will be held in April. You don't have to do anything in that. In May, top 100 global winners will be announced through Google of all over the world's students Google Developer Club. So first of all, you need to enroll yourself in a student developer club. You all can go to our website and there we have a join button, or you all can contact us all and we'll help you join you. Thank you. After that, you have a mentorship phase. Now supposedly your project has been chosen. Now you will be getting a mentorship from the Google itself, and that will be top 100 global winners of all the GDSCs present all over the world. And after that, you'll have a final submission on 2nd June. So final submission will be done, evaluation round two will start, and top 10 winners will be announced in June itself. So that's all for this presentation. And after that, sorry for the not talking about the presentation, about your solution. After that, we'll have demo preparation. So your project, whatever you have made with the help of those technologies, that will be demoed. And on 3rd August top three winners will be announced. We'll have certain prizes also, and certain giveaways which we'll be talking here. Let's move ahead.
Right. So here that we are mentioning that we have a kickoff event tomorrow, and that will be very important for you to begin with this challenge. That will be at a global level. So you should be part of this event with the help of GDSC, that we are here to help you out. And we will share the RSP link here. Prajwal, if possible, you can share in the chat section this RSP link.
Surely I'll be sharing it right now. Right now my screen is like my screen is on share, so I cannot share it right now, but I'll surely do it. And yes,
Right.
agreeing to your whatever you said, you all should be at least a part of this. I'm not saying winning is a thing, but you should be taking part in this because it's a global challenge. You will surely get to learn something. Let's move ahead, and you all will be notified about this, and you'll all get this RSVP in your
Right.
Gmail. Okay, so most awaited things, prizes. So
Right. This is
everyone's
the most
very curious
challenging.
about, yeah, exactly, because everyone's curious about what all we'll be getting, what all not, and this and that, everything. So first of all, I'd like to mention सारे participants को एक certificate मिल रहा होगा, whether you are winner or you are not, because obviously if you are participating in that, you are obviously ahead of people who are not. So you are
Right.
a winner in yourself, and after that the winner prizes will be top 3 club with the most solution challenge project submission. So all over the world आपको 3 clubs चुने जाएंगे, जिसमें जो कि like they'll be the best, which will be announced in August as stated in the timeline. And sorry, and top 100 teams will be selected as I said, in round 1 evaluation, and all
Right.
those will be getting a Google t-shirt and a certificate. So top 100 teams. And in the second round of evaluation, we'll have top 10 finalists, top 10 teams of the 100 teams. So they'll also get some swag boxes and all. You all can see the details here. We'll be sharing this PPT. And after that, we'll have contest finalists. So top 10 finalists थे, उनमें से 3 final लोग चुने जाएंगे, 3 final teams चुनी जाएंगी, and they'll be receiving prizes worth $12,000. So that's, I guess, great in itself.
Great and huge
It's
for
very great, like huge.
right.
So you all should be participating in this. Should we move ahead?
Yeah, if you have doubts, so you can watch and rewatch the prizes details again and again, so that you have
Yeah,
some
this PPT
motivation.
will be shared.
Yeah, right,
This will act as a motivation booster for you all.
right. Prizes always motivate each others, and it will also come up with the new talents and new solutions.
Exactly, new solutions will be made. You may be not a perfect solution builder, but you may reach at a certain point जिससे हो सकता है आपको लगे कि हाँ, that's this can be
Right,
one of the solution to this particular problem.
that's true.
Okay, let's move ahead. This is the judging criteria.
Yeah. In detail, I guess Prajwal, we can discuss this one by one.
Okay,
We can
we'll
take
be
them step by
discussing.
step.
Basically, there's a 50-point marking schedule in this, and we have two main judging basis. First is the impact on a society, impact of the problem statement, impact of this whole problem as a, like, आप कैसे देख रहे हैं उस प्रॉब्लम को, वो इम्पैक्ट 25 पॉइंट्स मिल रहे होंगे उस पे, एंड द रेस्ट 25 पॉइंट्स विल बी ऑन द टेक्नोलॉजी, हाउ हैव यू यूज्ड इट, विच टेक्नोलॉजी हैव यू यूज्ड इट, एंड कितने ज़्यादा अच्छे से यूज़ किया है. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट इन डिटेल. सो 25 पॉइंट्स, इसको जब ब्रेक डाउन कर रहे होंगे तो 5 ईच होंगे. द फर्स्ट 5 पॉइंट्स गोज टू द प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. आप कितना क्लियर प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट चूज कर रहे हैं, आप कितना solution oriented problem statement choose कर रहे होंगे. So 5 points to them. And after that, do they explain clear which UN sustainable development goals and targets they close to their solution and why? Okay, so earlier in this video we talked about 17
Yes,
SDGs, sustainable development goals. So जो भी आपका problem statement है, it is how close to those 17 SDGs. 5 points
SDGs.
बन के हैं. Yeah, SDGs, as we say, sustainable
Right.
development goals. And after that, we'll have feedback from the users, testing and iterations. So your model, your project should be a working one because उसकी testing हो रही होगी. So 5 points for that. Okay. So feedback will be taken from real users. So you may be like, supposedly you made a app with the help of your Android or Flutter or whatever technology, and that app will be deployed to Play Store, and the real-time users will be giving feedback to that. So
Right.
5 points to that. After that, we'll have solution address challenge identified by the team. Does this team adequately describe the success of the solution? So आपने solution तो बना लिया, but is that solution the perfect one, or is that solution actually the solution of that problem which you chose? So 5 points to that. After that, finally we have plan for future and extension to a larger unit. So basically यहाँ पे आपकी scalability check की जाएगी. Is the project you made is scalable or not? So if it's scalable and if it's like if it goes to next level या फिर उसे larger scale पे हम लोग उसे massively produce कर सक रहे होंगे उस solution को, so 5 points to that. And you will be getting mentorship along with that. So technology part, I guess sir will be telling yours.
Yeah, right. So here we can see like impact what exactly going to be for 25 points. So it have division in various 5 points inside that 5 5 5 5. So that's 25 already. Apart from that, 25 is remain that we covered in the technology. So first that you should be take care of it. That is clearly describe the architecture, high level components. So this is very important to describe your products and solutions, what exactly and how it going to be divided, right? And your team should use Google technologies, and why you have used this should be very clear to you, and that you should also clear within your team, like someone is saying something and your different members saying something, so that should be clear inside your team before proceeding to the judging criteria. So make sure this should be very clear to you. All right. Apart from that, we have, does the solution impact all the technical components? That means all solution that you have think within your team members, that should be a technical components. Means someone is doing UI UX, someone is doing different thing, someone is doing front end, someone is doing back end, someone is doing DevOps. So that should be very clear to you within your teams. How your teamwork is done, that will be also judging in the technology, how you have used, how you have implemented, how you collaborated. That will be very helpful for your judging criteria, because a teamwork project, it's at another level. An individual project is at another level. So you should be good at your teamwork project as well. Apart from that, your coding testing, whatever you have coded, you that should be tested very well, so that no one can point out like this is not good, this is not good, that is not good. So you should test before that. All right. So apart from that, we also have a video demonstrate that will tell to you within some time, like after that, how you can demo your video, right? All right.
Yeah,
So that
so
mean like
there will be, yeah, sure, go ahead, go
yeah.
ahead.
Yeah, I was saying like you should make a demo video of your solution, whatever how it's running. Like let's suppose you have built a clone of Facebook. Let's suppose that's not an idea, but yeah, you should take an example of that, and you should share how your post is being made, how you can switching the account, how you are making any changes in your account. So that should be very clear to you, and you should mention that in demo video. That will be a sample video of your solution, right? Nowadays that is only demanding in the hackathons also, and in solution challenge also, that is required, that having all the 5 points. Apart from that, we have last point also, it contain five, that is support more users and increase the skill, that is cloud computing demand. So you should deploy your solution in cloud computing. Let's suppose you have developed some solution and it increase day and night, means it increasing day by night, and you are getting a huge amount of users in your platform, in your solution. So that should be scalable at a large scale. You can't say like I have only hosted for 10 people. It is not the right way to build a solution. Okay, so you should build a solution for all the world. So you think the user, the let's suppose 100 crore people, not 100 crore, but yeah, you should be building the solution for minimum crores people, or 10,000 at least. All right, so that will be a increased scale. That is a scalability issue that you should be clear it out. That should be clear with the help of cloud computing options that we have. Fifth. So I guess, Prajal, you can again go ahead with that.
Yeah, we'll be moving ahead with this. I hope the judging criteria is clear, and if not, you all can rate this out. And as I said, the PPT will be shared. But most importantly, is that how you use that technology and how you present it. So as sir said, you need to make a demo video. So as like आप जितना अच्छे से समझा सकते हो अपने उस टेक्नोलॉजी को, सो दैट विल बी योर प्लस पॉइंट, और आपको वो 5 पॉइंट्स काफ़ी इजीली मिल सकते हैं. एंड हर एक हैकाथॉन में, लाइक दिस इज द गूगल हैकाथॉन सोल्यूशन चैलेंज, बट इसके अलावा भी जितने भी हैकाथॉन्स होते हैं, यू नीड अ पर्सन हु इज capable of making your solution, your presentation clear to the audience, clear to the judges, और कितना ज़्यादा वो effective है या नहीं है. So let's go ahead. This is submitting a solution submission criteria. I think that's a technical process, and you all can read this out, but majorly ये है कि आपका project setup जो है उसका implementation वहाँ पे आपको सबमिट करना होगा, एंड आफ्टर दैट जो फीडबैक होगा वो रियल टाइम यूजर से मिल रहा होगा. एज सर सेड, आपको क्लाउड में डिप्लॉय करना होगा. जब अगर आपको क्लाउड नहीं भी आता, यू विल बी गेटिंग अ मेंटरशिप रिगार्डिंग दैट, एंड आफ्टर दैट आप उसे डिप्लॉय कर रहे होंगे, यू विल बी गेटिंग रियल टाइम फीडबैक फ्रॉम दैट, एंड आफ्टर दैट जो भी स्केलेबिलिटी स्टेप्स होंगे वो आपको बता दिए जाएंगे उस टाइम पे, आफ्टर यू मेड दैट प्रोजेक्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. सो दैट्स द सबमिशन क्राइटेरिया. आई गेस वी आर गुड टू गो अहेड. Okay. So creating a problem statement, आपको problem statement you are given 17 SDGs sorry, and आपको उसी के इर्द गिर्द आसपास ही वो problem statements बनानी होंगी, and these are the certain characteristics of a good problem statement, कैसी होनी चाहिए, and you need to target the segment which is experiencing that problem. So आपको उस segment को भी target करना होगा और उन लोगों तक भी वो problem की जो solution है उसको पहुंचाना होगा. So you need to structure that problem in that particular way कि वो उन तक कैसे पहुंच रही है, कब पहुंच रही है, कहाँ पहुंच रही है, वो सारी चीजें आपको क्लियर हो और आप अपनी पिच में उसे बता सकें in that demo video. I guess that's clear. And the need, the impact, and the scope of the problem should be made clear. And last point is should not be more than one paragraph, as 2 to 3 sentences are minimum. So your solution statement should not be a very lengthy paragraph, because obviously हम में से किसी को भी लंबे पैराग्राफ पढ़ने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं करता है. It goes same way for the judges too. So तो आपका problem statement होना चाहिए, it should look like a problem, and max to max 3 to 4 sentences. So that's how it is. Let's move ahead with this now. So this is the timeline checklist regarding the 2023 solution challenge, and sir will surely tell you about this timeline.
Oh yeah, Prajal, can you hear me?
Yeah, you're audible.
That's great. So, as Prajal told you about other things, now we'll checklist what are the things that we are going to do during the tenure of Solution Challenge, right? So, first thing, you should be a part of Google Development Startup like a GDSC UCER that we have. So, you should be part of like that. If you do not have any club in your college, you can join our club that we have, GDSC UCER. Prajal, if you can share our link tree, that will be good, or our website
Yeah,
that we have,
our link
GDSC.
tree is available. Like right now, I cannot share it because my screen is on share, but
All right,
I'll.
let me share it.
It's easily available. It's easily accessible.
Right. You can also search on Google GDSC UCR. You will get a link. You can showcase that as well. Just type
Yeah,
GDSC
I'll
UCR
just.
in the Google. You will get the link.
So like you
Just type
just
the GDSC UCR.
GDSC UCR on Google. Sorry, that's
Yes, you will
UCR.
get a link
And here
over
you
there as
get
well.
see this is
Just
the
type
first
here.
link,
You
and
can
you
copy
just
paste in
get
the chat
in.
section as well, Prajwal, if
और
you have
यहाँ
done
साइड
that.
में आपको एक ज्वाइन बटन मिल रहा होगा. Like here you have been a member, but here you will get a join button. You can join it and ready to go.
Just copy
These
and
are
paste. I guess Prajwal, you can copy
organizing.
paste the link.
Yeah, surely I'll just copy paste this in the
Yes.
chat.
So first step is to be should part of this our community that we have. Right. Next we have
Yes.
we'll be hosting session for you in January as well. We'll soon try to host that. Third step, that's your step. You should try to form a team by January end. Okay. Then you have to select United Nations Sustainable Development Goal that already Prajwal told you. There's 17, right? Or 7?
Yeah, 17, 17.
17 SDGs that you should be knowing. And within that only you have to build the solution.
First of
Apart
all,
from
you need
that,
to build a problem statement from that.
right.
आपको उनमें
That's
से
true.
कोई एक टॉपिक चूज करना है, उनमें से एक आपको प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट बनाना है, एंड बिल्ड अ सॉल्यूशन अकॉर्डिंगली.
So these are the four steps that you should part of. Then you can get start with the solution challenge.
Yeah.
Then the phase of design and build will be started. Now you have to identify a solution of your problem that you have find out. Then you can start learning and building the program. So how you will learn? We will host the session on web development. I guess Prajwal that will be taking it. Apart from that, there will be some other mentor as well that will be helping you to learn web development, and we have some other technologies as well. You can see front end and back end, right? So step 6 is for learning and building. Then we have step 7, that is testing. So you should test your solution within your friends, within your family, and within your other known that you have. That would be a good option for testing your solution. Then we have iterate, repeat these things till then you have not satisfied yourself. Then that will be completed to your design and build phase. So this is, you can say, last second step for your solution challenge. If you are capable to do your testing, then you can move ahead with your submission form and judging. That will be taking place in the March and August. Between March and August means here stepwise will there phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. In phase 1, some people will be soft tested. Then in phase 2, other people will be short tested. Then like that, that will be going on. And in August, we'll be getting our top 3 winner around the world, and that will be disclosed within YouTube Live by Google. Then we have step 14, that we have celebrate all the 2000 solution challenge participants that all have participated. So Prajwal, you can overview this in something if you want.
Okay. I'm audible.
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, great. So, as sir said, in August will be the top three final winners will be announced, and this will be worldwide, not in your college, not in your city, not in your country. Great. Let's move ahead. And this is the workshop and opportunities. So, in this hackathon, you'll be getting these workshops. Okay. So, right now it's not clear who will be taking these workshops, but we'll certainly arrange some mentors, some teachers, some faculties who will be helping you out who will be helping you out during this hackathon and will help you learn these technical advancements, one of them being cloud, Android, ML, Flutter, Google Assistant, and others. It includes web development as well.
Right.
So let's move ahead with this. We are in the info session, and okay, great. So we have these self-paced code labs. I agree, these are very good labs, and each one of you who are interested into like इनमें से कोई सा भी आपको सीखना है, be it web pathway, be it data science cloud, be it firebase, kotlin, anything, you just ये गूगल ने खुद से डिजाइन करके सेल्फ पेस्ड लैब्स दे रखी हैं जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा इजी और बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होती हैं समझने में. And I myself have experienced the Google Cloud Lab, which is this one, the data science cloud, as well as the Google Cloud Lab. This may you like get the overview of that particular domain in very depth, और आपको practical basis पे सिखाया जाता है जो कि बहुत सही होता है, and you just have to read that documentation and go ahead with the steps given in that, and you will be able to like, in case of Android, you'll be able to create an Android app. Maybe it's a very basic app, but you at least learned. And you'll also be getting certain badges which help as a motivation booster, and you can showcase that all in your LinkedIn profile or your Twitter, anywhere you want to. And these are, I must say, these are very good based labs for the beginners. So links are also present here, and yeah,
Yeah, you can also
so
share this link in the chat if
yeah,
possible.
surely, surely. So this is the developers page, and यहाँ पे आपको वो सारी लैब्स मिल रही होंगी, सारे रिसोर्सेज, सारी लैब्स मिल रही होंगी जिनसे आप, यू कैन ऑल्सो, देयर सम क्रेडिट पॉइंट थिंग कॉल्ड, लाइक आपको क्रेडिट्स मिल रहे होंगे कुछ कुछ, एंड आपके पास जितने क्रेडिट्स होंगे यू कैन जस्ट एक्सेस दैट लैब. सो यू नीड टू वर्क मोर टू अर्न दोज क्रेडिट्स, and with the help of those credits you will be able to access those labs, and which is a very good thing. As I say, I'll just, sorry, I'll just share this link over here, and it, so these are the labs. See, the Android basics one, the Firebase one, the Flutter one. You can see more, and there are majorly all the domains you want to cover, and it's a very good thing for beginners.
Beginners also.
Let's move ahead.
Right.
Google Developer Library, as I said, it's the same thing. There it was that आपको सॉरी, हाँ, वहाँ पे आपको सेल्फ पेज लैब्स मिल रहे थे, और ये लाइब्रेरीज हैं, यहाँ पे आपको उससे रिलेटेड डॉक्यूमेंटेशंस मिल रही होंगी और जितने भी पीपीटीज मिल रहे होंगे टू लर्न दीज टेक्नोलॉजीज thoroughly. This is also available on the same link which I provided, and this is a very good thing. This one lab I was talking about, the Google Cloud Lab, and to know about Google Cloud, to know about Angular, the Firebase, आपको कोई सी framework सीखना है, आपको कोई सी technology सीखनी है, this is a great thing. And the best part is you are getting this for free. So after this, we have Design Sprint Kit. I think Sir knows about this. Sir, can you please go ahead
Yeah,
with this?
sure. So here that you will also getting a tool that Google have, that is Sprint Kit, where you can like showcase. You must have graphic lab in your college, especially. So it's like that where you can imagine your solution, your problem, and you can define everything in a sustainable, like in a customized way, and other can also understand. Your team member can also understand what exactly you are thinking, and you can collaborate. Is like a team. So here we have various things like understanding, defining your problem, sketching your problem and solutions, deciding the solutions. You should make a prototype of your solution, and you should validate like exactly that will be working or not. So that will be also shared with you, and that will be near about 5 day exercise that you will be solving it. So yeah, Prajwal, you can go ahead again.
Yeah, so this is the prototyping of your solution. आपको जैसा सा भी मॉडल चाहिए, and you all can build this over here. It's like Google gave this technology for you, and it's a basically 5 day exercise. आपको यहाँ पे अपनी खुद से वो frameworks डिजाइन करने होंगे. You'll be getting help with the mentors. You can test your ideas, you can test your prototypes, your models, and after that आप अपना जो भी solution बना रहे हैं, it will help you, eventually help you. Let's move ahead. These are some overview videos. You all can see these videos. How to, like, first of all, this one is a calling student developers. So if you want to join the Google Developer Students Club, that's for that how to. So as it is stated here, how to videos. So this one is the 17 SDGs. So this videos is telling you about how, like, आप क्या आइडियाज चूज कर सकते हैं, एसडीजीज के आसपास होने चाहिए वो, और
Right.
प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स जो भी आप चूज कर रहे होंगे या जो भी आप बना रहे होंगे, इट्स रिगार्डिंग दैट. यू ऑल कैन विजिट दिस वीडियो, इट्स अ वेरी गुड वीडियो. It's the second one. And finally, how to build a project. It's a walkthrough through the project, and it's
I
an
guess
example project.
Prajwal, we
I
can
guess
try
I can
to.
play.
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah, you can play that.
Yeah, I was just going to play this walkthrough video, or should I play this one?
Yeah, I guess second one also you can try if that will be not good. Sivans Tiwari, yes, you can be part of GDSC UCR. Already, we have shared the link in the chat, so you can just visit that link and be part of our club.
Yeah, visit that link, join it, and you are a part of GDS UCR.
Or you can also search on the Google GDSC UCR, and you can just click on that link. I guess tab you have to share, Prajwal.
Yeah, I'm sharing my tab. Sorry.
No worries.
So I'm sharing you the project walkthrough video, and
Hi everyone, I'm Arman Hizrkhani, and in this video, we'll go through the workflow of building a hypothetical solution for the Google Developer Student Club's Solution Challenge. In the previous video, we explored the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals and brainstormed some sample solutions we could build. In this video, we're going to pick one of the sample solutions, and together we'll quickly walk through the journey to building a successful demo. One of the ideas we came up with in the previous video was to develop an elderly-friendly education platform solving for the Sustainable Development Goal number 4, quality education. So first, I'll share my initial thoughts with my Google Developer Student Club's members. I'll introduce myself and my strengths, and I'll highlight what types of talents and experience I'm looking for in my prospective team members. For example, let's say I have solid UI UX abilities, but I need help when building the server side of my application. And I definitely need help leading the team and managing the project. Once I meet with the potential team members and some of us decide to join forces, it's time to do a design sprint. We do this in order to properly define the problem and then come up with possible solutions. For detailed instructions on this step, check out this video series. Once we're done with our design sprint, let's assume we've defined the problem as mobile apps can be too complicated for the elderly and the buttons are too small. And elderly users sometimes find the discovery stage too complicated or find the course tutor style to be too millennial oriented or fast. Also during the design sprint, we define the solution as 1, build a platform that supports the niche market of elderly education. 2, the client app should be simple to navigate and has minimal distractions, like notifications or ads. And 3, course providers can produce content specifically designed for the elderly, possibly by the elderly, thus providing a revenue stream to a usually underserved demographic. Once we've confirmed it with some potential users, it's time to start designing the user interface. We'll share this load between the team members, but I'll offer to take the lead since I believe I'm good at UX and UI. I'll share my workflow and designs, and the team will go through a few hours of feedback and revisions. This stage can take a day or it can take a week. Don't rush to implement the solution before you're confident you've designed a workflow and functionality that solves the problem you have defined. In our design, there are 3 user types. The learner, the helper, and the teacher. And my team members are confident we're catering for all user types in the best way considering our specific market. So it's time to design the technology. We've decided to build a progressive web app instead of spending time building both a website and a native Android app. We decided to use Firebase at the backend to serve the course content to our users. At this stage, we'll probably share our thoughts with our teacher or with the DSC lead and ask for their advice on our designs and technology decisions. We'll also ask the DSC lead what workshops we should attend or what code labs we should complete, all in order to be ready for the tasks at hand. Bear in mind, this is just a quick walkthrough of this stage, so be sure to check out my videos on designing the technology or the many resources we have on the website.
Prajwal, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
All right.
So this was the walkthrough of that project. आपको वो बनाना कैसे होगा? And here we are back to our presentation. Can I just share this? Great. So this was the overview video regarding your projects and your solutions. Let's move ahead and I'll just slideshow this. Yep, now we have some tutorial videos कि आपको solution कैसे identify करना है, problem कैसे identify करना है, solution कैसे identify करना है, interface कैसे बनाना है, and the technology which you are using in उसको कैसे master करना है या फिर उससे design कैसे implement कराना है. So you all can visit these videos, and after that we have some FAQs. Also we are opening the chat. आप लोग questions पूछ सकते हैं regarding this, and we are good to answer your queries.
Yes.
So till then, I guess you can just tell us the FAQs
All right.
regarding this solution challenge.
Got it. So, as already we have discussed various things about solution channel, then also I will tell you some FAQs that's listed down over here in the screen. So, first thing that already I told you, you should be part of Google Developers Club of any college. It doesn't matter, either UCR, either Southern University, either Galgotias, any university, you should be part of a GDSC club, right? Apart from that, can my solution have a problem outside of the scope of the 17 SDGs? So that's a very important question, and very of you have this question. So the answer is simple. So you should require to submit solve for at least one or more of the 17 SDGs. It's simple. You have to choose at least one from SDGs. 17 SDGs. You have to choose at least one. Maximum you can choose 17, but at least the problem should one should be there from 17 SDGs. So it's simple. मतलब आपको एक ना एक एसडीजी लेनी ही लेनी पड़ेगी आपको अपने सोल्यूशन पे, अपने प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करने पे. ठीक है. Then we have, can one student or team submit multiple submission if they have contributed to both projects? So इसमें कंडीशन लगी है कि एक पर्सन एक टीम पे ही रह सकता है, एक पर्सन दो टीम पे नहीं रह सकता. So it's not allowed to be part of two teams. You should be part of only one team as a person or as a team member, right? Can I still participate in the solution challenge if there is no GDSC at my university? As I already told, if you do not have university in your GDSC chapter in your university, you should be part of our GDSC club. That is GDSC UCR. So
Like you
you
can
can just,
join any of the GDSCs.
yes, but as we you are watching our GDSC, so you can part of our GDSC UCR. If do not
Right.
have in your college, then you can part of this our solution challenge. Apart from that, you have some implementation that you should be part of. Take care of it. Like we are living in a COVID time, so we have some social distancing, mask, and everything that you should be part of it. Can you read it out, Prajwal, this part?
Yeah, surely. The COVID-19 restrictions or the limitations should be followed, and the judges will also be mindful about this. So that's all this FAQ says, that you all can, if you're not able to meet as a team, you all can like have solutions to that. You all can do a Google Meet maybe, or whatever your video calling or your priority be. You just have to meet, you have to create the solution, and that's all. Like आपको किसी यूजर को देना है टेस्ट करने के लिए, but you cannot go near that user due to the COVID-19 limitations or anything. You all just can mail him or anything you all can do,
Right.
but
Means your
and
safety is,
it will be
your health is
considered
very
in
important.
your marking scheme. That's what it is saying. And if you have a lack of internet or a proper development environment in like near you, तभी आपको consider किया जाएगा उसमें. So but you have to like mention this all in your video, or maybe your whatever, wherever you are writing your solution.
Right.
So any other queries, you all can just, there's a page, there's a link over there, you all can just put a question there. That's all. Or you
Right.
can reach out your GDSC lead.
Yeah. That's also.
Great.
So this
Acha,
FAQ is very good. And now we will see some winners, previous year
winners
winners.
from previous
Yeah.
years of the solution
What
challenge.
exactly that
So
was?
these are the winners. I don't think we should be playing all these videos. You all can go yourself, check these out. But I'll just take some names. Like this one is the Blossom, Canada University of Waterloo. So this has one. It's not mentioned here which rank, but these are the winners. Top
Can you also
10, I
mention some
guess.
Indians name?
So sorry.
Some Indians name.
I don't think any Indian is present here. This is first one is from Athens, second is University of Waterloo, Canada, third is Vietnam. Then we have one Indian college. It's GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur. So we have
That's
Nagpur
right.
in top 10. Great. That's great. And that's only present. That's only one present. And you'll be glad to know no IITs. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आप IITs में हैं तो ही आप जीत रहे होंगे या ऐसा कुछ. No, it's just
Right.
प्रॉब्लम ओरिएंटेड, सोल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड, दैट्स ऑल. और आपको अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी पे वर्क करना होगा. सो we'll move ahead. We also have 2021 challenge winners, so you all can see. And here
We
also
have
we have two Indians in this at
that's
position
really
seventh and eighth and ninth, I guess. Yes. So that's all for this, and so we'll
yes. This we can go
take
ahead,
it
I
ahead.
guess. So what we have seen now, IITs and IITs is not in the winner list of top 10. So you can see how tough it was and how challenging the event was in earlier days. Now it's more tougher because of COVID-19 and other restrictions that we are seeing in this era, especially in 2023. In the beginning of this year, we have seen various layoffs by various big MNCs. So the challenges is very real and very big. We have to be take care of it, and we should be having these technologies you can see over here: Android, Flutter, Google Cloud Platform, TensorFlow, Firebase. So this is the thing that previous participants have used and built their solution, and they have feel this is the very great technologies by which their products and their solution are expendable, means scalable, right? And
Yeah,
that can be
so these
scalable at a large
technologies.
level. Yes, Prajwal.
Exactly. Their projects have been scalable with the help of these technologies, and as also I mentioned earlier, ये technologies काफी like solution oriented हैं and काफी easy to use हैं. So if you are into into any of these technologies, whether it be it TensorFlow, Firebase, Flutter, any of them, so like it's a very handy thing to use these as your technologies, and these are the real-time reviews as stated earlier. So these are the real-time user reviews.
Right.
So
Especially when you talk about Firebase
yeah,
and
the
Google Cloud
Firebase.
Platform.
Exactly. So let's move ahead, and this is the
Yes.
2022 solution
Demo
challenge
day.
demo day. So it was
So,
hosted last year,
demo day, I guess
and
can you tell me, Prajwal, what is exactly demo day? What do you think?
I guess the demo day must be like them. They have been showcasing the winners of the last year.
Yes.
Like if
No,
2023,
no,
talking
it's
about
not about
2020.
showcasing. I guess the demo day is for all about the showcasing their solutions.
Yeah, so
That will be
showcasing all those like the top 10 performers are there. So top 10 solutions वहाँ पे दिखाए जा रहे होंगे most probably. They'll be
you can
demoing.
see playlist is there, top 10.
Yeah, there's a whole playlist of top 10. So you
Of
all can go
solutions. So you
and
can
see
watch their
those.
problem and solution also, what exactly they
Surely,
have built
surely.
and won.
In that whole 1 year, they have built over this.
Right. Near about 6 months, not worry, but yeah, it's like
Sorry,
6 months.
not about this 1 year. It's 1 tenure.
Yes.
Great. You all can visit this, and that's all. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
we can't wait to see you what you build. Especially,
What your team builds.
we'll try to our best to help you out if any
Yeah.
issues will be there, if any technology issues, if you are stuck
We
somewhere,
can
our team will
surely
be always
help
there.
you out with some mentors. We can assign some mentors in your team if you're really interested in that.
Right. So you can reach out to Prajwal or our any team member of GDSC UCR, either they are any from background. So you can take care of it. Just message us if you have any doubt. We'll try to best to help you out in any way.
Yeah, surely. So that's all for
Yeah, if
this
any
presentation
doubt you
today.
have, you can
And
chat or you can also join our Discord. Prajwal, can you please share one time our link tree
yeah,
link?
surely. I'll be sharing my link tree. Just give me a second.
All right. We'll try to share the this sheet and other links, important links in the chat, in the Google group as well, WhatsApp group. Especially kickoff event link we have to share priority basis. That's tomorrow.
Okay. I guess the description box contains these links or what? There's no
Uh,
link over there.
you can share link tree link dot.
Yeah, I'm sharing that. I was just checking the description box. This is our Linktree link, and you all can visit this for any
Right.
queries. And what else to be shared?
Yeah, we'll share in the WhatsApp group and other channels as well.
Yeah, surely. So
The
you all can
links.
join all our pages and everything. We'll be updating you over there.
Right.
Thank you so much for joining today. And
Thank you everyone for joining, and thank you to
I
Prajwal
guess,
for hosting us such a
yeah,
great event. Looking forward for more these type
yeah,
of
surely,
events
surely.
for solution challenge.
Exactly. So let's wrap this up today.
All right.
And we'll see you up till the next video. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. Have a great day ahead.
Good night.